Hi, and welcome to the QB Division importing tutorial for Certificate of Analysis. QB Division utilizes an AI-based Certificate of Analysis import feature that provides an automated workflow for your raw material management. This allows you to unlock the important features and information stored in your C of As quickly and directly from a PDF or image format. Let's take a look. Because the CoA correlates to a specific project, we first need to open that project and make sure the necessary information is there to receive the analytics. I've gone ahead and opened our default process here in this project. Under Process, you will at a minimum have already created a unit operation, added your materials, and some material attributes. The acceptance criteria for your material attributes, remember, will either be set to pass-fail or a range. Next, you'll go to the Data tab. Here, you'll click on Raw Materials. Next, Import. And you'll see it gives you the option to pull up your Certificate of Analysis. Click here. And now our system is reading that document. QB Division is doing the work for you, finding the tables of information, extracting it, and then correlating it to the records you have in the system. Now the information is here, let's make sure you're putting it in the correct process and also selecting the material that you'd like it to be assigned to. Follow the Next button to get to the next step. QB Division has laid out the data in a side-by-side view, enabling a review by exception approach. We've also added color code that shows the confidence behind each extracted value, allowing you to quickly see what needs attention. Notice that your batch number is pulled in. You can set out your scale, your supplier, your start dates, etc. And go ahead and click the Next button again. After reviewing your information, you will get the final confirmation before the system uploads the C of A into your various draft records. Import as draft. Your import is complete. And just like that, your C of A record goes from a paper in a filing cabinet or a file in an email to a digital record that is in draft format. Now you can send that draft for approval, or you can open it up and review the data for any outliers. Try it out today and see how fast you can turn your data into powerful information. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.